How to raise hand in a Zoom meeting on your mobile. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Zoom application on your device and then go ahead and join in the meeting where you want to raise your hand. In order to join the meeting, you will be required to enter the meeting ID along with the meeting password if the meeting requires a passcode. So firstly, go ahead and join in the meeting, and once joined, tap anywhere on the screen and a menu will appear on the bottom. So tap on the more option you see there, and further you will see the option for raise hand. So tap on the raise hand option, and with this you will be raising your hand in the meeting as you can see here on the screen. You can then tap on the lower hand option on the bottom center of your screen whenever you want to lower your hand in the meeting. So this was about how you can raise your hand in a meeting in Zoom Mobile. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.